Hi viewers, you were watching Astro Planning Forecast and today we were going to talk about Libra, especially the powerful and surprising days for April 1st to April 5th, 2026. These few days may quietly be a period of deep change in your life. The movement of the stars during this time is forming a very unique and powerful pattern, and because of that you may encounter situations and opportunities that might seem small on the surface, but in reality they could open very big doors for your future. People born under the signs of Libra are already known for their new natural sense of balance, fairness, and refined thinking. But the coming days may strengthen these qualities even more. During this period, you may feel a strange sense of awakening inside you, almost as you suddenly being to understand certain hidden truths about your life. Sometimes a person feels like the universe is quietly sending them a message, guiding them towards something important. This same feeling may arise within as well. If you have worked hard over the past months, shown patience, and kept your intuition pure, there is a strong possibility that the result of your efforts may finally start appearing. These days may also remind you that some decisions in life have the power to completely change your direction. And perhaps this is the moment when you must awaken the confidence and courage within yourself. April 1st and April 2nd may be especially important when it's come to mental clarity and patient decision and practical decision. If you have been confused lately, thinking again and again about an important matter or waiting for the right opportunity, you may finally begin to see things more clearly. There is a strong possibility that someone may give you advice that change the way you see things, or an event may happen that confirm you are already walking on the right path. In your professional life, if you are working a job, or you may receive appreciation from a senior, an opportunity to participate in a new project, or even a new responsibility that strengthen your confidence. For some Libras, this day could open new door in their career. If you are involved in business, the stars suggest that thoughts about a new partnership, a fresh investment, or a new project could come into your mind. However, one very important thing to remember is not to accept every opportunity immediately. Instead, take time to analyze it carefully, because sometimes what shines bright is not real gold, and sometimes a small opportunity can grow into a huge success in the future. That is why your wisdom, patience, and foresight will be your greatest strength during this time. April 3rd and April 4th may bring warmth and emotional softness into your personal life. If you have felt distance from a loved one, had a misunderstanding with a friend, or experienced silence in a relationship, this day may offer the perfect chance to heal those emotional gaps. The star indicates that honest conversation and sincere words spoken from the heart can dissolve may all tension. Sometimes even a small sentence or a simple gesture can bring hearts closer together, and this is exactly the kind of energy surrounding you during these days. If you are married, a deeper understanding and emotional closeness may develop between you and your partner. There may be a conversation or a shared moment that strengthen your bond more than before. And if you are currently single, there is also a possibility that destiny may introduce you to someone whose thoughts and personality resonate deeply with your heart. For some Libras, this meeting may appear very ordinary at first, but with time it could grow into something extremely meaningful. At this moment, the stars are sending you a clear message. Love and relationship are among the greatest treasures in life. When a person keeps their heart positive and open, the universe also brings to open beautiful path for them. April 5th could be especially important when it's come to practical method, financial decision, and planning for the future. On this day, you might receive an idea, an opportunity, or even some news that pushes you to seriously think about the next phase of your life. If you have been working on a project for a long time, its result may finally begin to appear. For some individuals, this may even become the starting point for a completely new venture. Financial improvement is also possible, but possession will be equally important. The star suggests that when people come close to success, emotions sometimes push them toward hasty decisions. That is why it will be important to think carefully before taking every step. Use your intelligence and experience, and do not hesitate to seek advice from people you trust. Libras naturally possess the ability to maintain balance and fairness, and this very quality will help guide you toward the right path. Overall, the period from April 1st to April 5th, 2026 could become the beginning of a journey filled with hope, transformation, and new opportunity for Libra individuals. This day may remind you that the true power in life lies within you. If you build strong confidence within yourself, maintain a positive mindset, and recognize the opportunity that appear before you, these days could lay the foundation for a completely new chapter in your life. Sometimes the universe shows people great paths through small signs, and those who understand these signs are the ones who eventually change the direction for their destiny. So in the coming days, keep your heart strong, continue your effort, and hold firmly to believe that the future may bring something truly special for you. Viewers, if you enjoy this detailed prediction for Libra, remember that the word of the stars still hold many secrets. From more surprising and heart-touching predictions, stay connected with our channel Astro Planning Forecast, because here we share insights that sometimes have the power to change a person's life. Friends, if you enjoyed this prediction for Libra from April 1st to April 5th, 2026, and you feel that these signs from the start truly connected with your life, then make sure to hit the like button on this video. Your one like is not just a simple click for us, it's the motivation and energy that inspire us to bring you more powerful, inspiring, and heart-touching predictions. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment. Tell us what you think about this prediction, and make sure to write which city you are watching from and whether the prediction matches what's currently happening in your life or not. Your comments are extremely valuable to us, and we always try our best to read every question and every opinion you share. And if you want your friend, family member, or anyone who belongs to the Libra zodiac sign to also know about these important messages from the star, then make sure to share this video as much as possible. You never know, this prediction might become an important message for someone. For more amazing, surprising, and heart-touching horoscope prediction, make sure to subscribe to our channel Astro Planning Forecast, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can be the first to receive every new video we uploaded. This was your guide, and you were watching Astro Planning Forecast. Take care of yourself, and we will meet again in the next prediction.